everyone, welcome back to the Viking showroom here in New York City. I'm Jackie Rothong, the brand ambassador and chef here at Viking. Today we are taking our leftover ingredients from our party that usually we end up throwing away, and we're creating an entirely new family meal. So last episode we used a lot of our extra food to create a delectable pizza. Let's hop into our 7 Series Viking fridge and see what we're working with today. If you're forgetful like me, and forget to close your refrigerator, not to worry, the Viking 7 Series refrigerator has an alarm to remind you. Okay, so we have bell peppers, sausage. I think I'm gonna make sausage and pepper sandwiches. We're gonna add in a little olive oil to our pan. We are going to brown our sausage. Many of you might not know this by now. I have a Jersey accent. Yes, I am from New Jersey. Sausage and peppers is definitely a classic there. I'm gonna put my own little twist on it today, and I'm going to make balsamic sausage and pepper sandwiches. One of my tips is taking the sausage out of the casing and getting it really rich, dark, golden caramelization on it. Add a little bit of olive oil to my pan, and we're gonna get our peppers and onions going. Something people always ask me is, how do I have time when I get home from work to cook? And it's simple. All of these things can really be made ahead of time. You can cook your sausage down, you can cook your peppers and onions down, and ultimately save that, and when you're ready, just reheat it and throw in some balsamic vinegar, and you're good to go. I'm just gonna break up this sausage a little more so it's not in such big chunks, so it gets nice and evenly browned. Okay, so as you can see, I have 2 different temperatures going on here. I want these vegetables to cook down low and slow, so I have them on like a variable simmer, and I want this meat to get brown and crispy, so this is on super high. So you can see how different you can cook on top of your induction cooktop. Okay, all of our veggies are cut. Look at all that color. If I've taught you nothing from all of these videos, I hope you come away with this. Please season as you go. A little bit on the sausage too. I'm gonna add in my vinegar and let those braise down for about 15 minutes. We have our sausage browning, our peppers and onions are cooking down. Now I'm gonna take our rolls and throw them into our Viking 7 Series oven and brown them up really fast. There are our rolls. It's time to combine our sausage and peppers. We're gonna take this, right into the pan. And you can see that syrupy balsamic glaze that has formed over the last 15 minutes. You're gonna stir this together, and now we're gonna give a quick chop on our basil. This is like a really perfect time to add all of your fresh herbs. Give that a nice stir. It's time to build our sandwiches. Last but not least, we're gonna top it with cheese. As you can see, this is not a normal sausage and pepper sandwich. I think I've done Jersey pretty proud here. I'm actually gonna take a bite of this, of course. Wow, that is so good. I really get the tanginess from the balsamic vinegar, the sweetness from the peppers. You guys, we gotta build our flavor. This is so, so delicious. So we've used what we got to make this amazing balsamic glazed sausage and pepper sandwich. Thanks so much for joining us in our Viking kitchen. Check out our next episode to learn how I am going to use the other leftover ingredients to create an entirely new family meal. You can check out these recipes and all of our other family meal episodes at thevikinglife.com.